Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error which is gonna create file xampp-control.ini period access is denied here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up your file explorer. So simply tap your file explorer if you can see any of that. If you can see it and aligning your taskbar, or you can simply use your button search bar and search for it in case you don't see any. Here you need to proceed to your this PC and you need to go with your devices and drives. I mean, Select your local disk, double tap to open, and here you need to go with users. Double tap once again, and this time you need to proceed it to your user account, which in my case, how to fix is my user account. Okay, we're here. You need to go again with downloads, click on it, and there you would be able to see your XAMPP application. Okay, once you have selected it, do a right click, go with properties. So here in this window, you need to look for compatibility. Okay. And under that tab, you'd be able to see a list of the options. Where here you need to look for run this program as administrator. So check this box and click on apply and okay. Once you're done, select again to that application. Do a right click. Go and show more options. Go and send to and choose desktop to create a shortcut. Once you have the created such, close this window and proceed to your XAMPP application. Now try to run it. Double tap to open and wait until a new window will be able to see appear, which is the user account control. Click on yes to continue. And there you have that. Just have to wait and install your XAMPP application. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.